This is the view of the setup of this experiment. This is the slow motion. The coin did not fall down because of the less friction. In this experiment, I am going to show you the reversing of the arrow when we pour some water into a glass jar in front of it. As you can see, when we pour the water into a glass jar, the arrow seems to be reversed. This happens because of the refraction of the light. When light travels through different mediums like glass or water or air, this causes refraction. Let's see by taking another glass jar of small diameter. Here, the arrow seems to be little bit small because of the less diameter of the glass jar. This happens because of the refraction of light. When the light travels from air to glass and glass to water and water to glass and then back to air, which strikes the arrow, makes us see that the arrow is reversed. Thank you. In this experiment, we are gonna make a thing with paper strips which rotates when we keep it under a fan.